I still need to put a little bit more coolant in, but the intake and everything's back together, no leaks. Everything was good, so this has been a fun experience. However, I'm not gonna say that this is my most enjoyable mod that I've done on the car. Maintenance is not fun, right? Mods are fun because you can get some more performance or better turning or whatever. But anyway, service mode is not that hard. Replacing the PCB, really not that hard. It takes time. It's just tedious. So take your time, go through it all, do it right, and I'll have a video obviously up that explains how to do all this. Also, Cameron has one over there at Audi C7 Owners for the A7, A6, which should be pretty similar. So take a look at that as well to help yourself out. So anyway, thanks for watching. This is the last update for this project. So talk to y'all next time.